This is the unboxing of the Starvent. They call it an RV ventilator. It's basically an 11-inch RV roof vent fan. You can see that we got the one with the white lid. And let's take a look at it. Just got this off Amazon. I didn't have enough room in my vehicle for a 14-inch, which is the more common size. So I found this 11-inch. See that it has the installation instructions. You basically mark the desired locations, and it gives you the rough layout here. Doesn't really give you any dimensions or anything, other than the fact that you need to have a 1 3/16 inch thick roof. And it says that we're supposed to get a vent fan, a garnish ring, a bunch of screws, a spare fuse, and a manual. And manual looks like it's pretty basic instructions. There's a bunch of the screws. Piece, which we obviously don't need. Okay, that makes the rest of it not a whole lot easier. There are the spare fuses attached to the bag. We want to be sure that we save those and don't lose track of them. And then if we look at the vent fan itself, you can see that the screen that keeps the bugs out on there, and looking at the underside of it, you can see that we basically have plus and minus controls, and then whatever those do. Oh, okay. That says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's probably lights there that light up. I'm guessing that changes direction, and that right there is the changing the speeds. It looks like we have standard plus and minus, no ground on it, and this should be in 2 separate pieces here. So I'm guessing that, yeah. Okay, so this is the part that's going to go on the inside. And then this is what's going to come down from the ceiling. And this should be, yeah. So as we twist that, it's going to raise that up. And then that's what's going to come up at the top. So give you some relevant numbers here. The total that's going to be on that side is going to be just a hair over 13¼ inches. Like it's not even 5/16. It's between, we'll call it 13 and 5/16. And then the part that's actually going to be going down inside of the camper is exactly 11 inches. So the hole that is going to need to be cut is literally 11 inches by 11 inches. And so it is not 11 16ths, it is exactly 11. And so that tells you what you need to cut. Obviously the corners are rounded, but that's how that goes. And so this flange, which they call the garnish ring, this flange goes down in this groove here. And so that's how that will all work out. So the flange is going to be just a little bit under 11 inches. Looks like the fuse goes right here. And that's the unboxing of the Starvent 11-inch roof vent fan. If you like this content, be sure to subscribe, and you can continue on as we go throughout the build of the entire camper, and you'll get to see this actually go in.